Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Itlali. For those of you who don't know me, hey, welcome. I'm your teen mom to this YouTube community. So on today's video, we have a special guest you guys are gonna be meeting, and her name is
Katisha. Okay, well, I'm like Itlali's best friend, pretty much. We grew up together, known her since 6th grade.
I'm gonna go ahead and put some pictures of us. We go way back, dude.
She be doing me dirty, eh? So if y'all see some ugly pictures of me, just know I've grown up.
My best friend right there. Fuck with her, you fuck with me, bitch. Ooh.
Fuck it up. We glowed up.
I'm like, I know, it's crazy.
Y luego when I was pregnant.
Yes, cute videos.
This girl been through everything with me.
Yes.
You guys. She was there from back then, my pregnancy.
And always supported her regardless of what she decided, okay? Like, I've always been there and I said, do what you need to do, girl. I'm right behind you. So, we've been through so much. I've seen so much of her. Like, I've seen her grow as a woman and as a mom because we support in every way.
Yes.
I'm like, so I've seen firsthand. She's grown to be a big example. So, I'm like, props to you, sis.
We crying.
I'm like, but we're also roommates. So y'all are gonna be seeing more videos of us.
You guys, we're always highly energetic together, huh? We're always like talking about our days. I love it. We have such, I don't know.
It's such a good vibe.
Yeah.
It's never been a bad vibe between us, so I just
Love it.
She's never been
And we've been here for how long?
3 months now.
Like almost 3-4 months, huh?
And we're barely recording this.
Barely. And like I have to record it. I can't.
Get sidetracked.
It's been hard, guys. You know, like
We've been busy.
yeah, it's been hectic moving
Yes.
into at a young age.
I'm 19.
And I'm 18. Like
She's coming from moving out with her parents to living
it
on
was
her
hard
own.
at first for me, and she
So,
knew. Dude.
Yeah.
It was
it's
hard.
been
I don't know. Even though I've like already moved, I've lived alone from my parents. Like even.
It makes you realize though, whenever you actually take that final step and you're like, I'm good.
But
to
this
live
time for
with
me,
you.
it felt like I was alone. Like even though you're here, you know, like not
No,
like
I
that.
know.
Not like that.
No.
Back then it was with the partners. Now it's different. Like your own paying your own bill.
You depend on yourself.
Exactly. You depend on yourself and nobody else.
Say hi.
Hi. This is my baby girl Annalyn.
Period. The target girl.
Annalyn. ¿Cuántos años tienes? 2. Welcome in. We're going to be giving you guys a apartment tour. I'm all
Period.
after what? How long?
Like 3 months.
3 months of being in here, bro.
Like 3 months. It's not it, guys.
It's just been hectic, you know, moving in and
Damn hard.
we're here, so that's all that matters.
Period.
We're just gonna start off pretty quick and easy. Our dining room area. This is our dining room area. ¿Cómo se dice cuando quieres decir like ¿cómo?
We DIY'd it.
Oh,
but
yeah.
we
So
DIY'd the
DIY'd the chairs, guys. I'm gonna show you a before and after.
Yes. She painted them black.
Yeah, because they looked horrible at first. Well, not bad, but it just didn't match.
I'm like, now they do.
Now they look good. Oh, and that's our puppy.
Yes, we have a puppy.
Oh, meet Caramelo, guys.
Licky. Look at Caramelo. He's the cutest thing ever.
This is our pet.
Yes.
We recently got him.
So cute.
Anyways, we got all sidetracked. Okay, so this is like Annalyn's little area, her chair, table, her little kitchen.
Yes.
Aww.
With her pictures of her favorite moments. Come on now.
Oh yes.
With her friends. With her mama. Looking good.
Oh, baby Annalyn.
Baby Annalyn. How cute.
Her toys. Oh, this is our turtle.
Yes.
His name is Speedy.
Right there.
She scares me.
There we go. You can see him right there. I'm
So
like,
tiny.
but yes, this is her little setup, guys.
So that's our TV.
Yes, period. We always gotta have the TV.
Yes. And this is our, oh, we already showed that.
Yeah, but still cute.
This is our little like kitchen.
Yeah. I'm like, it's a whole mood in here.
Love it. Yes, with our candle. Oh, this candle smells so bomb.
Yes.
It's from Bath and Body Works.
Oh.
Oh, it smells like laundry, huh?
Yes, it smells so good.
So right over here, this is just some stuff that mean a lot to me.
Yes.
Dude, this is what Annalyn gave me for Mother's Day.
It's so cute.
It has a little picture of her and it's just so cute.
Yes.
Something I had to put up here, but calendar, you know, because I be forgetting shit.
Yeah, it's almost same. Thank God.
This is our like area for us, our stuff, our like, you know, whatever.
Period.
This is our snacks area, you know, the one you get the munchies.
Yeah.
Come here. And over here too.
Yeah.
We have more snacks. This
Yes.
is like Annalyn's little area, all her cups and
Yeah.
microwave,
Yes.
dishwasher,
The basics.
Over here,
Yes.
this is Annalyn's masterpiece.
Yes. They're so cute, but like, come on now.
Come on, I had to hang them up.
Yes.
Y ya sabes, Mexican us.
Yes.
There's always stuff on top of the fridge, dude. We have our
Blender and our
and
air fryer.
right
Guys,
here. This is just like our medicine.
our
I have it up
birthday.
here so the baby can't reach up to it. You know?
Yes. Safety.
Safety.
Period.
You know, that's just food.
The necessities.
necessities.
She's our chef here, so
Chef in the house.
she cooks it up. She whips it up. Bello.
I'm so sorry, but like you're in my way.
He's so tiny, you can't even see him.
I'm here, I forgot. It's just like cleaning supplies.
Yes.
You know?
Yes. Come on now, the basics, as we said.
And just extra shit right here. Just,
Yes.
Yeah, don't mind that. This is our living room, which is empty.
It's in the works.
It's in the works.
Okay, we're working on getting the couch.
This is our new living room space. I want to give a huge shout out to Saul and his friend Lino for making it possible.
And then a TV's next.
Yeah.
For sure.
So we can have like our movie night.
Game nights.
Game night.
Fight nights! Yeah!
It's so dark in here, there's no light in here. But
Yes.
ya cuando tengamos cosas, this is Annalyn. Bin.
Oh.
Yeah.
Same to us.
Me.
Me.
Down to the hallway.
Yes.
Right here is gonna be a closet, which we have like just the cleaning, like, you know, the mop,
Yes.
all
And
that. Randoms, backpacks. ¿Y eso qué es?
They're monitors for my new setup for when
I
my...
have a setup.
Yes, I'm
You
gonna
wanna
start-
go watch her play on Twitch.
I'm gonna start streaming. So we're in the works of that, but monitors. And then we have like some tools, some backpacks, just shit that we need that we
that's
didn't
like
want
an
in the
air
way.
mattress. So whenever we have like
Guests.
invitados, guests. Okay, she wants to join us.
Yes.
Let me close this.
Caramelo.
If I can.
Oh my. There we go.
There we go. Okay. This, I don't know, what is this?
This is our water heater.
Yeah.
We don't
Yeah.
touch.
So we're going on to the bathroom.
Our bathroom's very basic, I
Yes.
feel. Because it's like,
But it's basic but cute, you know?
Yes.
Oh wait, Annalyn just peed, but
okay,
she has her own little like,
toilet set
yes,
up.
and her little trash can.
Look, we got our homegirl, okay? She's learning.
Yeah, and then,
So,
like,
she's
her own
brushing,
little cup.
she's learning how to brush her teeth and everything.
You know, yeah, this is our side, you know,
This
that's
is-
her little side.
But I'm like, that's also our makeup.
Oh, yeah, that's her like makeup and
Just don't worry about that. Us. Rewind.
rewind.
And go.
This is our room.
Yay!
I love it. I just love it.
It's a whole vibe in here, okay?
Yeah.
Like, look at Annalyn's little setup and everything.
That's your bed. Show them your bed and your stuff.
Yes.
Go show them.
Show them.
Look. Wow. That's your big girl bed.
Look at her. It's so nice. I love the setup. Yes.
I love it.
She has her small little chair and everything. It's cute. She sits in front of the mirror. She's like, yes, I am
For
that.
our pictures or selfies, if you have not
Period.
followed our Instagram, I'm gonna put her Instagram too. So
Period.
Go follow us on Instagram if you haven't already.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Puppy's bed. He's been like loving this like corner, so I just put her bed there.
Yes.
Yeah, random. Just random. I haven't like I don't know what to do with it yet.
We haven't gone through it.
It's just like all kinds of bows and extra shit.
Yes.
This is like my work little corner.
Yes.
My work stuff. Okay, Mommy. You want to rock? Yeah, of course. You already know the dresser.
The cute pictures.
Oh, yes.
They're so cute. And then we have Annalyn in the back, of course, baby Annalyn.
Yes.
Oh,
She was so tiny.
now she's such a big girl. Yeah.
Okay, now over here.
No, it looks cute.
Oh, he's in here now. Okay.
Okay.
This is the laundry room
Yeah.
and like my closet.
Yes.
So I have OCD, as you can tell.
Yes, color coordinated and everything. I love it. I'm like me.
Dude, it gets bad sometimes. Like, yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, let me show them over here.
Yes, I'm like, let's
So we're
the
gonna close the door,
And this is
and yeah, that's just like our towels, our, you know, for our laundry detergent, random stuff, and the essentials up there. Like
right there.
yeah, we have like a lot of like what the bar soaps.
Yeah,
What is it?
the Dove soap.
Some lights.
Yeah, we have some lights. This is essential.
Yeah.
Yes, very much
And
needed.
these-
Face towels, candles, you know, just if we ever need it. Candles are a thing. You'll see it around the house. I'm like, if you don't see one right now, every room you'll see one on. It's our thing.
Yes. Now,
Now it's my room.
I'm gonna record and she's gonna give you guys a tour.
My room's very.
I'm gonna take over. La favorito.
I'm like, as you can tell, the favorite child. We gotta carry her. Well, welcome to my room.
Welcome.
My room's very basic because I'm still waiting on a few things. But as you can see, my bed, it's in the corner because I'm all about being in the corner. Same, sis.
Okay. Okay. Anyways, just getting hit in the head, but okay. Continue.
As we move forward, yes, that's my bed. That's my stuff right there. We have some chips and some snacks going on because
Yes.
baby girl was chilling in here.
She was chilling.
But let's move on to the closet. My closet's very basic. I have my shoes, my clothes. I have some things up there. I have a game that we're gonna start playing.
Oh
soon.
yeah, when we have. We're even gonna try it us alone.
Yeah, just us two because we can play it. But
Yeah,
I'm
and
like,
because we have no friends.
so if y'all want to be our friends, get in line. We're taking inquiries. I'm like, we're not mean, I swear. We might look a little mean, but we're not.
For real.
My corner that I'm still working on, okay? Don't mind that. That's like the embarrassing things. I'm like, hide that.
We all have a box.
Yes. And then I'm like, of course, my TV. I have my stuff, my Xbox, my Connect for my Nintendo Switch. And then, of course, a light because we don't have no lights in any
Dude, I
fucking
know.
room. You guys did
Look,
not
you
see
guys, they have switches. But they don't.
What? That makes no sense. Okay,
I know.
So that one thing is whoever designed this shit deserves to be fired. I'm like, this shit's not it.
For
Okay?
real. Oh, and then we also, a veces nos agarramos jugando, huh?
Yes. The
And then
Xbox is like that
Nintendo,
too.
and then,
And I
yeah.
have my Switch right here because we're like,
We
I
need to
carry
play
it.
that new game you got.
Period. We need to.
It's
I'm like, but I carry it on me because fuck waiting. Okay, we finna play while we wait. Simple as that. I'm a child at heart.
with your impatient ass.
You'll see me playing Mario Kart.
For real. Remember, the last time we went to Quinceañera?
We were playing Mario Party. Yes. But yeah, that's my room.
This is her room.
Period.
Yes. Love it.
Yeah.
It's a vibe. You guys, this is what we were noticing the other day. Look at her room. It's like the dark colors. Love it. And then there's me.
The bright.
The bright.
Look, it's you need to come in here to chill out.
Yes.
Just find a vibe. Come in here. You need a good happy vibe in here.
Oh
All
yeah.
the time.
Dude, all the
All
time.
the time. So we love it.
Yes.
I'm like, and your room is just so cute overall. I love it.
When it's clean.
I'll say.
Because, oh, luego se hace tiradero. I'm gonna be taking you guys on a night with us.
A night with
A night with us. Woo! So right now we're gonna, you know, what can we say?
We're doing our thing
We're
tonight.
doing our thing.
Y'all gonna come with us.
You guys are gonna come with us, so tag along.
Here we is.
Thank
you for watching.
That was all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.
Yes, make sure you like, subscribe, follow.
Yes, you already
Comment
know.
down below what you guys
Thank you
wanna
for all
see.
your support, guys. Bye. Love you guys.
Bye.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder,